Okay, good morning, welcome to
Math number 530.
Math number 530. So today we're going to do a fun little exploration with the shape that's on the screen. So first of all, you can just play around with it and tell me some things that you notice about that shape, or some things that you think are interesting about that shape.
So, it looks like it's got 4 sides, and every one of the sides is one of these shapes. Those I don't know how to describe them, actually. They don't look like, maybe they kind of like pulled circles.
Pulled circles. Interesting description. Do you see any other, anything else generally about the shape that you think is interesting?
Well, if you put it just right like this, the outline looks like a square.
Oh, do you see any other squares?
Oh, also the patterns on like the face of it.
That's interesting. So in a way, the shape
could be related to squares.
Yeah, the shape seems to be made up out of a stack of squares. And I've left the code up on the side over here. Let me just show you what I did. So I mixed up the coordinates. So normally you look at the 3-dimensional coordinates as x, y, z.
Yeah.
But instead I did z, y, x first. I switched the z and the x.
Yeah.
But that was only to get it to appear. I think I got it to appear on the screen like this first. And then I made a different cylinder, switching the y and the z. So one cylinder is going one direction, the other one's going a 90-degree different direction, and they intersect with each other.
This is what it makes, and it's the difference.
This is what's inside the intersection. So I say difference of a and minus b. Remember, that was our trick for making the inside.
Yeah.
So this is what's in that intersection shape of both of those two cylinders.
Cool.
And the cylinders are the same size also, by the way, so they make this shape. And the reason I wanted to show you this shape is because this is a shape that comes up on like on college calculus exams. So a college math program, you know what question they're asking about this shape?
How do you make it?
No, they're not asking how you make it. They're asking, how do you calculate the volume of this shape?
Well, you could calculate the volume of the cylinders and look at, you could look at like just the part, or just like the part where they intersect, and like how that would relate to the whole area.
Possibly, yeah. Yeah, the other way to do it. Hold on, we have a visitor. Okay, so there's our visitor. The other way to do it is you recognize what you saw, the squares, and you make this shape out of squares because you know how to calculate the area of squares. Yeah. And when they're a little bit tall, they form a really kind of a skinny box. And so the volumes of those little boxes add up.
Cool.
All right, so I'm going to have you, we've 3D printed the shape too, so I'm going to have you take a look at it.